mid-May. And we've got broccoli heads coming on. They're doing really great. And the chickens are enjoying their frozen watermelon pop. What you doing over there, Checkers? You having a little snack? Is that nice and cold? Oh! Everybody's having a snack. You guys had your lettuce snack already today? Good girls. Look at the corn. I'm thinking we're gonna be knee-high by the 4th of July. Everything is doing really good. Just a quick snippet. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. The garden is coming along, hot and heavy. Cucumbers are coming up nice. Everything is coming in great. Look at how beautiful she is. The lavender has bloomed. And if anybody wants to know what variety this is, it's called a lavandula. And I just really love how it flowers. It is absolutely gorgeous. So we're not gonna let her open. We're just gonna trim her, and I am gonna save all of this for my teas. It's as simple as just give her a haircut. If you're not growing any lavender in your garden, you're really missing out. It is beautiful. It's a pollinator. You're gonna have wonderful blooms to dry out, make tea, or just use as a dried ornament. Flowers. There's so many uses. Give it a try. We're in the garden today, and the tomato plants need a little pruning. I remove all my suckers. It's a personal preference. It's what I do. You don't have to follow. And then I like to make sure that I cut off the very bottom leaves, because we don't want anything touching the ground. We're gonna start getting some very humid, hot days. And that's what creates a lot of problems for our tomato plants. And we're gonna start staking them up. And I just use this garden tie. And I reuse these over and over. It's about 3 years now. Comes in a roll, and you cut it to whatever size you need. So we are going to just, I don't know if you can see that, make one twist right now. Get her growing up this pole. All right, and she's already got blooms. So pretty soon, we're gonna have some awesome paste tomatoes. Hope it helps. Let's do a little cabbage maintenance. We get a lot of slugs around here, and they like to settle right up into the head of our cabbages and just eat away, and we're not gonna have it. So we wanna remove the very bottom row of all our cabbage plants, and nothing goes to waste because this is all gonna go into the chickens. Hi everyone, we're in the garden today and the garlic scapes are coming on hard. That's a garlic scape. So we're gonna go ahead and trim these all off. That way we promote more power to the bulb. So we're gonna go ahead and get these all cut off and then we're gonna pickle them. Hi everyone. We're gonna ferment some garlic scapes today. So we went out to the garden, we picked all of our garlic scapes. I've got them all cut up into pieces. You're gonna need 1 quart jar, which I've already filled, and I've got one more ready to go. You're gonna need a glass puck, this is called a fermenting puck, a ring, and this is an airlock, it's like a burper. You've got your Redmond's real salt. I got some pickling spice right here. This is by ball. Black peppercorn, garlic, and just give them a couple whacks. I got 4 cloves here per quart. I got a sprig of parsley. I got a sprig of cilantro. You can also put a bay leaf in here. And we've got some fresh dill as well. So let's make the brine. I got 2 cups of warm water, and we're gonna go right in with 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon. We're gonna give that a stir. I'm also going to go in with 1 teaspoon of my ball pickling spice. We don't use a lot of vinegar around here because my husband doesn't like it. Now we're gonna go ahead and load up our jar. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those garlic cloves right in there. I'm gonna smash up. I don't know, can you guys see that? All right, there you go. I'm gonna smash that down in there, the parsley, and also the fresh dill and the cilantro. I'm gonna go in with maybe 10 peppercorns. Just pop them in right there. Give that brine a good swirl. And I use warm water so that we can get that salt to dissolve. And then you're just gonna go ahead and fill her up. Don't overfill your jar. And we're gonna bring this right up to the first line. And if you didn't make enough brine, that's okay. Just come and get some more water. Fill that right up, right to that first line, right there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this puck and just smash it in there real good. The name of the game is keep that veggie product below the puck. And then I push down slightly so that you get some water right on top. There you go. I'm gonna let this sit on the counter for about 4 days, and then I'll take this off pull the puck out, and then it goes right into the refrigerator. It's as easy as that, guys, I swear. If I can do it, you can do it. Don't be afraid to try new things. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below.